So today we're doing something a little bit different, going on a junk run. Got a guy that got a hold of me. He's got I guess it's a tractor that he wants to get rid of. So we'll get trailer and the truck set up here and we'll get rolling, see what he's got. Maybe it's something we'll keep, who knows. Anyway, let's get going. All locked and loaded, ready to go. We're gonna head down to Tacoma. Typical Washington State traffic here. Moving at just over 30 miles an hour. But we'll get there. And somebody just cuts me off, of course. Got her all loaded up. I would have filmed the whole thing, but the homeowner was here and graciously helped me, and didn't want to get him on YouTube. But yeah, we're about ready to strap her down and start heading home. Took us a while to get here, but I may end up keeping this one. It's according to the homeowner, it runs. So this is a Yardman MTD. I think it's got a 42-inch deck on it. So we'll get her strapped down, get going. All right, I'll just pop in and show you real quick. Secure. Down the road we go. Back on road again. Traffic is worse, of course. We're almost back to the yard. Back this thing up, get it offloaded, and figure out what I'm going to do with it. Well, we're back to the yard. Just threw the doors open. Thing traveled pretty well, actually. Didn't really shift. Still tight. So this thing doesn't weigh a whole lot. So these straps were kind of pushing it, but a little bit. I was more worried about that one there because it was kind of, it's a sharp point right there. I was worried through transit it was going to eat through there, but it didn't. So I just got the machine back, kind of started going through it. I think the guy said this is 18.5 horse. We'll see. Headlights. Well, the hinge for the hood is intact, which is good. Headlights are intact. There's a couple cracks here and here. And then something's hit the headlight here and then up here. It's just typical rust on some of these older riding mowers. The deck, just typical rust on the deck. Seat's cracked, obviously. It's gonna need a new seat. Steering wheel, all the stickers, decals are not great. There's a battery that goes in a tray that was rusted out. I just took it out, but I've got to get a new battery for it. It's got a ball on the back. I'll have to look at that piece. I may need to replace that before I even think about putting anything on it. But the axles look decent, front and rear. Tires and wheels are in good shape. That piece there is gonna need to be, I'm gonna have to fab another piece if I keep this. It's seen better days. But everything's there. Thanks for coming along with me today on this junk run. Something a little bit different from what I've been posting on the channel, but you know, I originally intended to post a little bit of everything on this channel, so I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give me a like, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please do. It sure means the world to me to see that you guys are enjoying the content that I'm putting out. There'll be probably a video 2 on this tractor as I go through it and just kind of figure out what's going on, what I need to do with it to get it up and running. So first things first, probably be a battery. So look for that, and thanks again for watching. Catch you on the next one.